We are here to celebrate the dedication and unveiling of the building plaque commemorating the historic renovation of Little Hall, 103 years young this year. To be here today with all of you could occur only because of your support and the support that you gave others to complete this Herculean task of renovating and restoring this beautiful, famous building.
And this building does have a rich history. I think the beauty of the building, the splendor of the building that it exudes today really reflects well on the history and the background that this building has had. It was built in 1915 and was named after Bill Little. And Bill Little is credited with bringing football to the University of Alabama. In 1967, it became the home to the School of Social Work, and this school has served in a great, wonderful way for 50 years, and we certainly expect that our faculty, our staff will continue to have a wonderful and lasting impact in truly transforming the lives of the communities that they service.